Hi everyone, this is Kamal again. I am here to share a thought with you, which might be that most of you might like it or might not like it. It's about the terrace farming of any kind of plants, because nowadays we are facing the scarcity of the oxygen, and I think most of you by this time during this pandemic have understood the value of oxygen. So this is just a thought. I've seen a lot of people. I've seen a lot of old people who have engaged themselves after the retirement into planting something or doing some terrace farming. Terrace farming is one of the best ideas which if it can be done in your own house, or if you're living in a complex and if you're permitted to do something at the terrace, you can do it. You can do it in your balcony itself. There are a lot of plants which can be grown, like chilies, tomatoes, capsicum, small fruits also. uh, this actually will the percentage of oxygen around that atmosphere will increase if you can do that, and that is much more important. Now imagine yourself if you're flying in an aeroplane and you look outside from the window and you can see the terrace of a it might be a building or our own house which is full of green instead of the concrete surfaces. How would it feel in yourself? Because that is what is most required right now. We are looking for green. We are asking people not to deplant a lot of plants which are deforested. We are requesting people to plant trees in and around the surroundings, and the government has also taken steps. But on the other way around, there are areas, there are certain newses which I will share it in my next videos, that the government is encouraging deforestation because of mining diamonds from certain state. So I think this is very important right now, and you people who have suffered during this pandemic with the COVID virus disease might have understood that oxygen is so much necessary right now with among us. I will share some pictures in these videos. You might go through and just check how lovely it would look if you just start planting some trees on the terrace, and this will actually make your house cooler. You don't require an AC or anything which to cool your house. You just need to plant some trees on the terrace. I think that is much enough to make the home or the house where you live in to be much cooler than it might be before. So I would encourage the youngsters and a lot of people who will go through my videos to at least do some plantation at home. There are a lot of plants which produces oxygen in the home itself. There are a lot of plants which can be planted. I think you should take care of it, and there are youngsters which you can motivate also to do something, because anyways during this pandemic we are doing nothing at home, sitting back. So I think if you can just plant some trees, you can use anything, any plastic bottles, you can use any materials or any cans where you just need some mud and the seed. So this is one of the best ideas where I hope you can give something to the nature and you will feel alive among those plants. So that's it from my end. I hope you get motivated and keep planting trees, because that is very important for the future. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.